Okay, so I would propose that we are just doing the first test on the robot, just to see what happened. I can pretty see that we have a kind of rotation inside with 180 degree, but I don't want to spoil anything. So we just go through step by step, a couple of stuff what I would like to show you. And we just make the first test within RobotDK. And here you can see this 180 degree rotation, and you can see that the recording is exactly the same and it looks good on the screen. However, I can see that this one particular point, I'm not sure, Balázs, if you can show this.
Of course.
Unfortunately, during the recording, I was just using this button for single points, and this point was not recorded. So for you guys in the future, I record to use the continuous recording, or just to make it sure that you can really push the button hard enough. This was my failure, but you will see that it works quite well. So once again on the screen, I can test, and you can see, okay, it turns 180 degree. We will fix it in a later step. What I would like to do right now, I would like to make an offset. I just get this part because I have the fear that we are just coming too near to the tip and that we can crash something. So what I would like to do right now, I would just like to apply from this point to this point 5 millimeters offset approximately for a safety that we can test out the first movement with the robot. So how we do this? I will hide, I will do everything invisible which we do not need. And I just activating two features. One feature is the workpiece, the other one is the workpiece _0. And why I'm doing so? So from the workpiece frame, I can take the direction in which direction I want to move with the robot. So I just come back to here slowly, and then you will see what I would like to do, that I am moving 5 millimeters back. And Balázs, if you can show this with the robot together, if you can move a little bit back, thank you very much. Then you will see on the screen that I want to move into the direction of the robot. This is crucial to understand, because on the screen, I have to check out on the coordinate system of the workpiece frame, which direction will go to the robot. So this is definitive. We are on this axis, and this axis is the Z axis. You can see this is the Z axis. And the Z axis on the screen is showing to this direction, the positive direction. Therefore, I have to type in a minus value, a negative value, that I want to transfer everything into the direction of the robot. But this should not occur in the frame, but this should occur on this workpiece _0. So I just hit the F3, and here you can see this is everything 000 except for this 180. And here we have to apply -5 millimeter Z bomb. That's done. So with this one, we transferred everything 5 millimeters to the direction of the robot. And I just, for my safety, I just look again. Okay, the 180 degrees, this is already inside, still inside. And the robot seems to work quite easy. Okay. So what we will do right now, guys, either you can go through via RobotDK point by point, or you can run it from RobotDK. What I will do right now, I right-click the program what we created, and I hit the Select Post Processor to test this out. I want to use the Elite Robot CS script. So I want to create a script. I hit OK, and then I right-click the program again, and I just hit Send Program to Robot. Done. With this one done, one file successfully transferred, I can just move to the Teach panel. And in the Teach panel, I have a very easy program. So I have only one script, which you can add in with the script command. I already have one script inside. I clear it. The file is selected. I just open, and this is Remote TCP tutorial CS63 open. The script is read, exit, and basically we are ready to go. I want to lower the speed. This is the first time I try this program. Come back to the main task, and I just hit play, and then I hope that this will do the stuff what we programmed. I just increase the speed so you can see the 180 degree turnaround. Okay, even the cable can survive. And you can see that with the 5 millimeters, with this one missed point between, we can follow all the outline, hence 180 degrees rotated. So, and what we will do right now, we will just fix this 180 degree rotation, which I will show you in the next video.